Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to list multiple sizes on eBay. As you can see right here, I'm on the eBay listing page, and you're going to simply scroll down until you see size right here. You're going to tap on that, and from here you can select right where you see the search bar. You're going to type in the different sizes. As you can see, you can enter your own size. So let's say, for example, I have a size 10 and I also want to add a different size. So I'll simply tap on the comma. Then I'll add the other sizes that I have. And once you're finished, you'll tap on add custom value right here. And you can also add a variation of colors. As you can see right there, you'll simply tap on the color bar. And from here, you'll be able to enter your other colors, for example, red. And again, all you'll have to do is simply put a comma between it. And once you're finished, you'll tap on add custom value. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.